Hi, this is David Guest. This week I just wanted to talk a bit about some of my favourite apps on the iPad. Now, it doesn't have to be an iPad, it can be a Windows machine, it can be anything. There's a couple of apps that we use within our business that are basically awesome. First one I want to talk about is an app called Evernote. If you don't have it on your iPad, if you don't have it on your Android or your iPhone, you've got to get it. It's a place where you can store photos, scans of documents, you can actually scan with your phone, and I use it to keep all of my coaching information, coaching notes, basically any correspondence that comes in from my clients. The second one I wanted to talk a bit about was a app, or it's actually a website. It's called Asana, A-S-A-N-A. It's a project management tool. We've been using it internally to manage all of our projects. It allows us to collaborate between our team. It allows us to communicate between each other and make sure that our projects are run efficiently. So the last app that I just wanted to share with you was probably my favorite app on the iPad, also on the iPhone. It's called Notability. So Notability is an app that actually is a handwriting recognition app, which allows you to write on the screen. You can either use a stylus or you can actually use your finger if you want to. So you can actually write notes as if you're writing on a notepad. Can you see that? Now the beauty of Notability is I can push the record button, and while I'm writing, I can actually take notes and record the conversation at the same time. Now, the ripper about this is when I play back my recording, I actually get to see where I was writing at the time, which means I can queue up my notes to actually be exactly where I was when we were talking. So you can see that writing.
Actually take notes and record the conversation at the
It's the coolest app ever. Because what it means is you can be sitting in a lecture or a seminar, you can be writing notes about what the lecturer is saying, and then you can record the whole event, go back to your notes, click on where you were when he was speaking, and it'll take you to that point. So if you come to one of our workshops, bring Notability with you. It costs you about $1 on the App Store, and it's one of the most awesome things ever invented for the iPad. Speak to you soon.